Hey, today I'm covering the last part of my tentacle arm project that I'm working on. The part that lets me actually mount this contraption to the side of my arm. For that, I'm still designing and working and adding on this part, which is basically translating, just being able to connect this to my arm. But there has to be like a middleman to actually make it work. So there's gonna be this, and then some other part where basically this part is gonna have another part like this that's gonna grab onto my forearm. And then I don't know, I'm gonna think of like some other strap here that's just gonna grab my bicep, and hopefully with enough luck and faith it will be strong enough to be nice to use. So what I'm thinking and have thought of doing is, first I have this piece which basically just makes some stable points I can just start mounting stuff on. With this scissor jack constantly extending and de-extending, these points do not stay consistent, so I have to kind of just make my own, which I just made these. And this is basically just a board where I can connect anything to, and it's gonna be just stable. It's the best way I can explain it. Which then I'd connect something like this that would be able to grab my forearm in a way I hope, where we have these TPU thingies that would bend around and just kind of grasp it. I'd have one here, there, and so on, and I'd have a shoelace running by. And I'm hopefully gonna be able to hook up a motor to be able to reel in all this shoelace and just tighten the grasp on my forearm, and so it's actually sturdy. Of course, you could do it manually. Hey bird. He wants to be very loud right now. But hopefully it would be very sturdy and good at actually holding onto me. I don't know. With the motor, it could. With the motors I have, these ones, it has a worm gear inside, which is gonna be able to hold its position, which would be really good, and it would just make it a lot easier to take on and off, and it just feels so futuristic, it can auto grab onto you and whatever. It'd be very cool. But that's kind of where the roadblock has been, where getting the motor onto this and reel in the shoelace with a pulley has been really, really annoying to figure out, and I'm gonna show the CAD right now. I currently don't want to deal with screen recording because that is just more of a hassle and has worse quality. But here, as you can see, I've been working on the idea, the translating part between the whole extending mechanism in between, and then the human arm. But the first idea here I had was okay, I'll put the motor up here. I have to leave space in between here because these will bend outward a bit because of various forearm builds of different people, and forearms just would take a lot of space. So these spaces, I'd rather not put anything in there, as it might just cause a problem and not be as comfortable. So I have the motor here. Very sketchy, not a final design, but then I low-key noticed having a pulley up here or something to pull the strings of like the hole here and there would be like really bad. Look at the height difference and it's just not good. So started doing a second idea I had, which was using bevel gears, 3D printed bevel gears to have like a motor here, turn here, bevel gear that, and then it would have the pulley at the bottom here. But I could not had bevel gears for the life of me, and having 3D printed ones with like the extreme torque, I'm probably gonna have it under like the motor's at like 6 RPM and then whatever, calculating how much torque that has. Point is, it has a lot of torque, and honestly, I don't know, this isn't the brightest design. Like there's so many points where it could just low-key just break. So I don't fully know what I'm gonna do. And the motor placement is just like so weird to figure out, and it's just like so confusing. And I honestly, I'll be for real, I have not worked on this designing stuff in like almost a month, and it's just been at a little stalemate here. Okay, a month is a bit exaggerated, but close to a month at this point. And I'm trying to, I don't know, I have my mind on other projects and ideas right now. So if anybody has an idea, please. But that's currently the stalemate, whatever you want to call it, I'm at right now, because I cannot figure out how I'm supposed to pulley pull the shoelace. But it's okay, because I'll figure it out eventually. Maybe eventually I'll make actual decent bevel gears, or I'll most likely have just a completely different idea. That's the most likely thing. I just haven't thought of it yet. But that's about it for now. Stuff I'm working on. Yeah. Bye bye.